125,000 years ago, deep in Ice Age Europe, our ancient relatives weren't just surviving, they were innovating. In what scientists now call a prehistoric fat factory, Neanderthals were breaking bones, not just for marrow, but to boil them for grease. At a site called Neumarkt Nord, archaeologists uncovered over 2,000 shattered bones, from horses, deer, and cattle. The Neanderthals first cracked bones to reach marrow, then smashed them smaller, and finally boiled them to extract fat. This clever strategy may have saved their lives. Eating too much protein without fat can trigger protein poisoning, a deadly starvation syndrome. Fat is calorie gold. It delivers more than twice the energy of protein or carbs. In an Ice Age world, it was survival fuel. The team believes these ancient people may have even stored the fat, a possible early step toward food preservation. This discovery rewrites history. Until now, we thought early humans didn't begin resource intensification until much later. But these bones tell a deeper story. They were cracked at precise fatty zones, and show signs of boiling, not just butchering. Experts say this wasn't random, it was time-consuming, labor-intensive, and deliberate. The evidence adds to growing proof that Neanderthals were more sophisticated than we ever imagined. Creating tools, glue, maybe even art. These weren't brutish cave dwellers, they were problem solvers, adapting to a harsh world, just like us. Researchers say their behavior mirrors modern hunter-gatherers, reminding us that our roots run deeper than we think. And under the soil of Germany, we've unearthed the story not just of survival, but of ingenuity, nutrition, and evolution. A bone cracked 125,000 years ago still echoes the brilliance of human adaptation today. History isn't buried, it's waiting to be uncovered. Love uncovering ancient mysteries. Subscribe, like, and share to explore the past together only on LG News.